Hello everyone, welcome to our third part of the video of this lesson, angles cut formed by parallel lines cut by a transversal. As we mentioned before, we already introduced two types, actually three, but let's quickly go over. So as we mentioned, when two lines cut by a line, which is a transversal, we have 8 angles formed, and in this lesson we focus on the position of the angles. First, we talk about the corresponding angle. First, we talk about the corresponding angles here. So they have the same position. And the second, we introduce alternate interior, alternate exterior based on the position. This time we focus on the inside and outside part. So the very last part we are going to introduce is called consecutive angles. And we also have another name for this, which is called same side interior angles. So some students might see this word in Algebra 1 before. Consecutive is like one after another. For example, when we talk about consecutive numbers, we talk about 1, 2, 3. It's like a keep counting. They're connected in a sequel. And the reason we call same side interior, you probably guessed it, because based on the position, they look like a same side interior. So two words here, same side, meaning they either stay both on the left side and the other stay both on the right side. Interior, as we just introduced in second video, is space between two lines, right? So since we mentioned same side interior, so it's very straightforward, is same side. So for example, let's check angle 4 and angle 6. Angle 4 stay on the right side, angle 6 stay on the right side. They all stay in between. So it look like what? Look like C, right? But this time it's like this kind of C. It's like a corner box. So angle 4, angle 6 is an example for consecutive angles. Some student might say, what about angle 3 and angle 5? And you are right. Another group of example is angle 3 and angle 5. So some student might say, how about same side exterior angles? Yes, we actually do have that example, but that one is not often used a lot, so that's why it's actually strongly related to this one. So that's why we only focus on the inside part, angle 4 and angle 6. But sometimes you will see some textbook talking about same side exterior angle or consecutive exterior angle, those kind of things. It's actually very similar, only this part is we focus on the outside. So no big difference. Again, similar to another type, we do have an example here. Important fact to share. So as you can see, consecutive angles, the other two types we always talking about, they are exactly same, they're congruent, but very different for this. Because pay attention here. If you check the position of angle 4 and angle 6, it wouldn't be they're congruent, because as you can see, this one is way much wider and this one is like a acute angle. So they're not congruent anymore. But if you really check carefully, let's do a math quickly. For example, I know this is 120, then this is 120 because they are vertical angles, right? Sorry, they're exactly same. And based on what we mentioned, if two lines are parallel, corresponding angles always have same position. This is 120. Then they are next to each other, form a line, so I know this is 60 degrees because they add up to 180, right? So based on this connection, I want you to focus on the final answer for these two angles. One is 120, one is 60. What do you notice between these two? Yes, you are right. When they add them up, this is 180 degrees. So that's why consecutive angles are supplementary when these two lines are parallel. Okay, see, that's a little bit difference here. And that's all the types of angles I want to share with you. Hopefully this video is helpful. You can definitely review this video to help you. And also these notes will be posted in our websites too. Thank you so much for watching these videos and see you soon. Bye everyone.